Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to look at the introduction of DAX and why it is used. DAX is also known as the data analysis expressions. It is a formula language used in Microsoft Power BI, Excel, Power Pivot, and analysis services, which is used for data modeling and analysis. DAX provides a powerful and flexible way to perform the calculations, create custom metrics, and analyze the data in business intelligence solutions. If we talk about the significance of DAX in Power BI, DAX is the backbone of Power BI, enabling the users to unlock the full potential of their data by enabling the performance of advanced calculations and analysis. It allows the users to derive insights from complex datasets, visualize trends, and make data driven decisions. DAX formulas can be used to create dynamic and interactive reports and dashboards that provide the actionable insights to the stakeholders. If we talk about how can we use this DAX in Power BI, so DAX is primarily used to create formulas for calculated columns, measures, and tables in Power BI. So these are the three things that we will be creating in the Power BI whenever we are working with the DAX. If we talk about the calculated columns, these are the columns that are dynamically calculated based on expressions defined by the users. For example, a calculated column can be created to concatenate two text columns or perform arithmetic operations on numerical columns. If we talk about the measures, measures are the calculations that aggregate data in the dataset. They can perform various functions such as summing, average, counting, or applying condition logic to the data. Measures are typically used in visualizations to provide the summarized information. So now we'll be talking about what is the basic difference between creating calculated columns and measures, and also when do we have to use which kind of thing. Then the third thing is the tables. So text can be also used to create calculated tables, which are dynamic tables generated based on specific criteria. Calculated tables can be useful for filtering or segmenting the data based on specific conditions. Now let's talk about some real world scenarios of using DEX. The first one is the sales analysis. In a retail business, DEX can be used to calculate the metrics such as the total sales, average sales per customer, or year on year growth in the sales. These metrics can help business owners to understand the sales trend and identify the top performing product or region and make informed decisions to optimize their sales strategies. Then the next one over here is the financial reporting. In finance departments, text can be used to calculate the key financial metrics such as the profit margin, returns on the investment, or net present value. These metrics provide high valuable insights into the financial health of a company and help the stakeholders access the performance and make strategic decisions. The next one in the list is the customer analytics. In the customer analytics, text can be used to analyze the customer behavior and engagement. And it can be also used to find out some metrics such as the customer acquisition rate, customer churn rate, or the customer lifetime value. By understanding the customer metrics, business can tailor their marketing efforts and improve the customer satisfaction to drive some business growth. The next one is the inventory management. DEX can be used to analyze the inventory data and calculate the metrics such as inventory turnover rate, reorder point, or stock out rate. These metrics may help the business optimize their inventory levels, minimize the stock outs, and reduce the carrying cost. So overall, if you talk about the DEX, DEX is very useful in playing a crucial role in the Power BI by enabling the users to perform the complex calculations, derive meaningful insights from the data, and drive the business decisions. With its flexibility and power, DEX can empower the users to unlock the full potential of their data and drive the business success. So in the next session, we will be looking at how can you use DEX in Power BI and what exactly is the syntax for DEX. Thank you.